Hello friends, very good evening. This is Balai here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On our last video, we are discussing about the gap up and gap down, technical gap up and technical gap down stocks, how to play with that technical gap up and technical gap down. So on that last video, what we have discussed about the stocks trend by DMI factors. ADX positive is greater than the ADX negative. So that is what giving you the trend of the stock. So let's we add that ADX parameter on the stocks. Let's be DMI. So let's we add how we are finding out the stocks direction. So let's compare any stocks where this is what the ADX is in pink in color. So the ADX is greater than 25, it will give you the strength of the stock. When the DMI plus, that blue in color, so DMI plus or DI plus is greater than the DI minus. So bullish trend, bullish, strong trend, and finally we are finding out the trend of the market or patterns. So the bullish trend and the strong trend, and here we are finding out the trade opportunity. That is the concept which I applied on my trade on our last video. Same one which I am going to create even a simple code. So let's tell you some stocks which I am finding out. Tata Chemical. So let I show the stock. Here it is a doji, and where forms a doji candle. And let's look at what are the factors we are going to see. For example, this is the pattern on the chart. That is what a doji, and DI plus is greater than the DI minus, so bullish trend, and ADX is about 25, strong, so market is open above that level and reaches very highest level. The same here, all the trend is positive, strength giving you good, but the DMI is it's reducing its momentum. So maybe there is a change in the trend at this point, but meanwhile we have the candlesticks pattern Y, so that gives you such a great profit. So here a little bit confusing about strength and trend. So here this method we are following only trend basis, but using the candlesticks pattern we are believing that the candlesticks pattern alone. So today it forms like a spinning top kind of candle, right? So what I am going to do in this video, simply I'm going to find out the stock which is opens greater than previous day high. So that is what a technical gap up I'm going to filter out here. The latest open is greater than 1 day ago high. So 1 day ago high. So this will find out those stocks, sorry, not an equity, so I'm going to trade with futures. So recently we don't find out any stocks. And again what I'm going to add here, so when I save this, then only it will give you. So here I'm going to add some groups. Subgroups here. So this will find out those stock open above previous day high, and here stock possesses any of them. So the open, latest open equal to low of latest low, the one, and the second one should be the open equal to high. If any stocks which opens gap higher, open high and open low. So let's we find out now. we will find some stocks. So many stocks we got it right now. So this is the basis. When the stock open above previous day high, if it is forms of open low, we are going to buy. If it is forms open high, we are going to sell. That is a concept where I am created here. And let's follow this. The stock 28th Nakuri TCS. Nakuri, it forms 28th open high and it started moving down. So 26270 is the open high and it is open above the previous day high and forms a open high. There is a strength, it's falling. And TCS, that is also be open high. So some good stock, good two stocks. And 27th we have a lot of stock. Asian Paint, but Asian Paint gap up opening, but it forms a open low. So these stocks we are going to buy. And TCS and other stocks, so those stocks open by technical gap up, and whenever it forms a open low or open high, even it gives you more confirmation about the stock. So the logic behind the trade, why we are focusing this one, by the logic, what the logic we are using for this particular code. If market opens greater than the previous day high today, something news may be getting in the after market hours. That's why the stock is started over above the previous day highest price. So if the news is very good, the market is going to continue its trend. If it is continuous trend, even it is keep on moving higher and higher, like Asian Paint. And compared to TCS, if the market after market hours some news is came, but the news may be good or bad, but the validity of the news is nothing means, so the stock is open higher and it started falling. So because news run the market by after end of the market and before opening the market, any news comes on the stock, that will reflect on the opening price. So the opening price is the clue for that particular day's trade. So when it is open above the previous day high, so the reason having some news, that is why it opened above the previous day. If the news is good and valid, the stock is continuous momentum or continuous trend, or the news is not valid, the stock is started falling from the highest level. So that is the concept which I am applying here. So one stock we are focusing for a sale, another one focusing for like Bajaj Finserv. That is the stock Bajaj Finserv. Let's say Bajaj Finserv, what happened yesterday? This is happening on 27th, na? 27th. See, the stock previous day high is around 18,200, but next day market open 18,599. It is a gap up as well as forms the open high, and until the day the market is started moving down. So there is a good opportunity where we can use the trade with options. So you can buy the options above the price. That should be in the money option at the time, or it may be the ATM options. So when the market started moving, that will give you such a good opportunity. How we can play with the options? Let's say this is what 27th October we are going to take somewhere around 18,600 put option. So let's try with what happened on that particular option 18,600. If the data is available, we can see. Bajaj Finserv. Is that Bajaj Finserv? Bajaj Finserv 18,600, but we don't have a October contract. So let's see on the November contract also what happened on that November contract on 27th October by opening itself. How to buy a this one is a call option, so we are going to buy put option. What happened on this put? I think it was not traded. 18,000, sorry, what is the highest price? 18,600. Here that put option was not trading well on that particular stock, but if you check previous contract, may be working. So we will go for some other stock. So let's go for somewhere around Asian Paint is going up. We should buy. And Navin Fluoride, L&T Finance Holding. L&T Finance Holding. This is the day on 27th October. The open high is around 85. So if you are going to take a LTFH 85 put option, yeah, something it was traded, but it is a very highest price. But the entry date where we are going to take an entry date is around 27th opening. And 27th opening, what is the price of the stock? The option price is around 4 rupees 20 paisa. From that 4 rupees 20 paisa, it went up to 4.65, and after that it moving towards 6 rupees. But still the stop loss is not triggered, so that is the reason that was giving you such a good profit on that particular. So this is the way that we can use simply use a method which forms a good information about the market. So this system working great and well. So if you are using this, you can get some good opportunity. I hope you got some idea about how to trade IDFC First Bank. Let's go for IDFC First Bank. What happened on 27th? Oh my god. So it is a 53, from 53 it coming down to 47, because this is what our stop loss as well as a nearby entry point of the 55 call option, 55 put option. When if you are taking a 55 put option, that may be giving you such a great opportunity on this particular option, that may be working very well in our intraday and positional trading. Right, I hope you understand what is the logic behind here. So the stock opened above previous day high, so that again I'm going to discuss here. Stock opens above previous day high, so technical gap. If open equal to low, continues the trend. If open equal to high, reversal. So if you follow this method, should 100% get some logic for your trade, and maybe getting such a good idea to make you a benefit. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for your time. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.